this tutorial about the replacement of the tooth belt, so the drive tooth belt for the Bristle Blaster. In this tutorial we're going to explain you how to replace it and make your Bristle Blaster work again. It happens from time to time that the tooth belt that drives the Bristle will wear out. It's a component that is susceptible to wear. To explain which part you need, you can find exploded views on the website from Monty Power, and on this exploded view you can see the part numbers. Quite important. There are different versions of the machine. There are drive units that are driven by air, the pneumatic tools, and there are of course the electric tools. Both have different tooth belts. So for this unit, the cordless, but also the Monty Power Bristle Blaster Double and the electric, you need the replacement part 37001. And we're now going to explain you how to replace this belt. So Erwin, come on up. He will show you how to do it and I will guide you through the process. So the first step is of course to have the suitable tools. You can use the tools that are supplied with the Bristle Blaster, and you can also use your own Torx tool. The Torx tool you need is the T20. The first step is to remove the protective cover. The second step is to remove the Bristle Blaster arm. The Bristle Blaster arm is connected by the red bolt. So there are 2 and 4 35mm bolts that need to be removed. As soon as you have removed the Bristle Blaster arm, you can remove the different bolts that are connecting the housing together. In total there are 5 black bolts. Please bear in mind that the bolts are all M4, but they have a different length. So it's important to memorize the different lengths and the proper position where it needs to be placed in. As soon as you have removed all the bolts, you can lift the cover and already the tooth belt becomes visible. In this case you can clearly see that the tooth belt is really worn out and has broken. You can thus remove the tooth belt and the drive shaft from the assembly, and then based on the new tooth belt, place both the gear and the belt back in the housing again. You can put the cover again on top of the drive shaft. In some cases it feels some resistance. But if you push a little bit harder in the right position, you can connect it again, and then make sure that you use the right length of the bolt in the different positions of the shaft.